So today we are continuing with managing ourselves in the stress. Yeah. So this is part 2. Last week we spoke about how stress can be triggered by external factor that's outside of us, by the too much work, traffic jam, and also people around us, their demands on us, and also difficult person that we need to manage. And we also spoke a little bit about stress that comes sometimes from within us, something in us that can create more stress for us. So today we will look one part of it. It is to look at this stress that comes from within us. Perhaps we look at the expectation towards ourselves, expectation towards our work, and also expectation towards the others around me. So in us, maybe we are, we have this expectation of how things should be, how I should conduct myself, how things should be done, or I need to be kind, I need to be helpful, I must be helpful. So we have this label and expectation of ourselves, and then I must be the best, I'm achiever, I need to do it, I'm the best in what I do. So this kind of expectation towards ourselves can help us go very far in the things that we want to do. But at the same time, it also start to add stress in us because sometimes we are not able to control things, yeah? Because especially when we want to do something, the external factor does not allow us. In us, we start to feel that this stress is building. And then when it start to do that, I feel in me the discomfort. I feel in me perhaps no longer peaceful. I cannot be the best of myself. If the best of myself is that I am a loving person, I'm a kind person, and I am a gentle person, in moments of stress, perhaps I find myself, I cannot live this, yeah, I am too stressed, don't disturb me, and so forth. So what happens is that it can affect our work, our focus, we feel the tension inside, and also perhaps it also affects our relationship with people around us, with our family, with our team. Because when we are stressed, I cannot live that kindness in me, I become impatient. So there's this sense, and because I aspire to live love for other people, kindness towards others. And when I cannot live this can also add stress in me. So we look at this dynamic in us that is the way that we function, the way that we think, the way that we expect that can affect us in our life. So what can I do? What can I do? Perhaps I can observe myself in my way of thinking, in my expectation towards others. I pause and I observe myself. What is a good way to live this expectation? Is there something that I can adjust? Perhaps I can relax a little bit some of my expectation because I choose to live more patience, more kindness towards myself and also towards my team or my family members. What is the best thing that I can do for now? Because other than the expectation that we have towards our work and self, we also have other capacity to have good relationship with others and good relationship with ourselves. So that's all for today. So we can learn in the week ahead an invitation. We look at, I observe myself in my stress. Is there something that I can adjust that can help me manage my stress better? Okay, so if you have any question that you want to ask, feel free to drop me a line on the link and on my email. I'll be listing it in the link below. And also, if you are interested, we have a workshop on less stress in our daily life. It is possible. And also visit our website. So that's all for now. Have a good week ahead. Stay stress-free and be happy. Thank you.